Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. It's Rinas here. Today I want to talk about something that many of us do, but often feel embarrassed or shy to admit. Talking to ourselves. Maybe you've whispered to yourself while working, or maybe you had a whole conversation inside your mind when you were stressed or feel confused. Maybe you wonder, is this normal? Is something wrong with me? This video explains that talking to yourself either out loud in your mind is completely normal. Most people do it, and it helps us with focus, motivation, planning, or emotional control. Positive self-talk can boost confidence, while negative self-talk can harm self-esteem or lead to anxiety or stress. So, the key is to be aware of how you talk to yourself and try to use a kind and supportive inner voice. So, the main idea is talking to yourself is completely normal and help you think, focus, and manage your emotion effectively. The tone is friendly, calm, and informative. They explain the topic in a reassuring way, making the audience feel comfortable and interested in learning, while the attitude is friendly, encouraging, and supportive. They believe that talking to yourself is normal and beneficial, and they motivate viewers to use self-talk in a helpful, constructive way. The implied meaning. A. Self-talk is a normal and useful behavior. The video explained that talking to yourself isn't necessarily a sign of mental instability. Psychologists have studied it for a decade and found that most people do it. Self-talk helps with planning, work through problems, and motivation. B. The tone of self-talk matters, positive or versus negative. It implies that what you say to yourself can significantly affect your mental health. Positive self-talk can improve focus and self-esteem, while persistent negative self-talk is linked to anxiety and depression. And C. Self-talk can be regulated and improved through techniques. The video suggests that cognitive behavioral therapy or CBT can help people manage their internal dialogue by replacing harmful negative self-talk with more compassionate reflection. Fact and opinion. Talking to yourself is supported by decades of psychologist research is fact. The transcript states that research shows self-talk is common and well studied. Instructional and motivational self-talk can improve focus, self-esteem, and performance is fact. The video cites a study with collegiate tennis players showing these benefits. And high level of negative self-talk are predictive of anxiety and depression is fact. According to the transcript, excessive negative self-talk correlates with mental health risk. Talking to yourself as if addressing another person is especially helpful for stress regulation is opinion. While the video mentioned this type of self-talk and some studies supporting it, it's more of a recommendation or interpretation rather than absolute proven rule. And one should be kind to inner voice because it's a long-term partner is opinion. This a piece of advice or moral guidance rather than an empirical claim. It's about how to relate to one's self-talk. And negative self-talk can become toxic is opinion. Describing self-talk as toxic is somewhat subjective. While the video is to anxiety or depression, toxic is a value worth expressing quality, not just frequency. Alright everyone, that's all for today's video. I hope this helped you understand that talking to yourself is completely normal and even beneficial. Self-talk can guide us, motivate us, and help us handle our emotion as long as we keep it positive and supportive. Remember, your inner voice is something you carry every day, and so try to make it a voice that lifts you up, not brings you down. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to comment, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.